Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and this is Fun Day Sunday Watch Face Review Round 2. Now we got DW in the house, and you know DW always does his thing. Listen, get ready. We about to check out an awesome watch face by DW. Guys, welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got DW in the building, and he's bringing the noise. He always brings the noise. Now the name of the watch face is called DW26. In the door, I'm already liking the separation of the display. I'm loving the design already. Now what I really like most of all overall is the always on mode. I thought this was a really nice look, very unique, very different. It's that type of look that says that I wish it was a watch face. I would play it all day long. Now, when the watch face is on, you're gonna get your time in digital. Now, I have mine set for 12 hours. If you have yours set for 24, you can get 24 hours. And also you get the day of the week. You also get your heart rate information. Floors climb. Right here is gonna be your battery graph. I like that look. Again, I'm loving the separation. Also, you get a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. It's that little red dot that you see on the right side of the watch bezel. And you're gonna get your day, your date. You're also going to get information on your steps, miles walked or ran, and calories burned. Now this little blue light right here is just not a light that's just there. That is your graph to let you know whether you completed your step goal or not. I thought that was super slick. I completed mine. I always complete mine, and maybe, just maybe, I need to raise the bar on that one, right? But with that being said, it is interactive, right? So if I tap on my steps, I can go in to get information on my steps. If I tap right here to bring up my phone call. So I'm liking what DW brought to the table with this one. I think it's worth its weight in gold, and his watch faces are always affordable. So check out his lineup in the Gear Manager store. It is definitely worth a peek. All right, you all, we're going to say Happy Father's Day once again. I hope you're enjoying yourselves, and get ready now because eventually the Monday grind will be on its way. All right, you all, have a good one. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.